Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are Group 8 from 90. My name is Fakhri.
My name is Rafa.
My name is Kholis.
My name is Rasya. We will show how to cook this meal. Let's check it out. Material: 1 egg, flour, salt, cooking oil, water,
Saucepan and spatula. Bowl, plate, spoon, knife.
Steps. First, prepare a bowl. Then, put an egg and add spoonful of salt into bowl. Next, stir in the egg. After that, prepare a saucepan and put an egg that had been stirred early. Then, wait until cooked. Once cooked, drain the egg. After that, put 5 spoons of next, cut the egg into 4 parts. Then, put a little water to one of the. After that, put a cut egg into wet flour and then the dry flour. Next, fry egg cooked in flour. Wait until cooked. One cooked, drain the crispy egg. Crispy egg ready to eat.